Rescue teams in northeast Spain are looking for two people believed to have been swept away by a river in Catalonia. The region was hit by intense rain on Saturday. All train travel was suspended for a few hours while a plane departing from Barcelona airport had to turn back after its nose was damaged by hail. Other northern regions, including Aragon, were also hit by rainstorms.
Now, Scotland and Northern Ireland have recorded their warmest days in years as the third heatwave of this summer reaches its peak. Hope you've been coping with the really hot temperatures. Rising temperatures have led to hosepipe bans being declared for millions of people in England, with amber heat health alerts also remaining in place for many. Freya Chappell reports.
Another very hot day across all corners of the United Kingdom. You might mistake spots for a sunny European getaway. Over the past few days, all four nations have seen the hottest day of the year so far.
Just trying to get all our steps in. We've walked from town to here, then a few drinks in the afternoon, ice creams, things like that.
We packed more for cold weather than we did for this, so had to go out and buy a few things to wear, but it's great.
Here, on Scotland's west coast, crowds of people flocked to Ayr to soak up the sun. But it wasn't all sunshine. Train failures on the line into Cardiff, causing disruption for fans heading to the Stereophonics gig at the Principality Stadium.
Because there wasn't enough carriages heaving on there. It was so hot, no air conditioning. It was just really busy.
Oh, it was a nightmare. We were supposed to catch a train from Aberdeen to Cardiff Central. Trains are all cancelled this morning.
Concerns over water shortages, like at this reservoir a few miles outside of Sheffield, Yorkshire being one of a number of areas in England with a hosepipe ban. And a warning from emergency services, who say to be careful where we swim, after a woman in her 30s died after getting into difficulty while swimming in the River Avon.
Should you find yourself in the water, we would advocate that people try and stay calm and float on your back. If you try and swim, you're going to get into trouble. And by floating on your back, it allows your body to regulate its temperature and it allows you to conserve energy and it makes you survivable. If then you shout for help, that will try and attract people's attention towards you and hopefully someone will hear.
Amber heat health warnings are still in place in the Midlands and eastern and southern England until tomorrow morning, with health officials advising us to keep cool and hydrated. That was no problem for these working horses on the Isle of Man, enjoying a dip in the sea as the sun set on another UK heatwave, with temperatures set to cool down in the coming days. Freya Chappell, BBC News.